In this video, I'm going to show you the Vako 2004 hand crank operating system. It comes in a nice customizable size wand with a hook on the end, and it fits into this fitting here on the clutch. And I can show you how it works. This bends, and it has a very smooth operation. And now I can show you some more about the components. So one of the reasons I just love this 2004 hand crank control unit is because it's so versatile. It is basically the same unit as the chain control. So if you have a situation where maybe you have a new baby and you need to take out the chain, the entire system is exactly the same except for this control unit. So you would pop out this and put this in. It comes in two different gear ratios, a 1-to-1, which would lift up to 18 pounds, and a 1-to-4, which would lift up to 22 pounds, which is more powerful than a motorized unit. Here is the crank gear unit. It has an opening to fit the hook. It has a clickable end cap, so there's no screws, and the only screw that you do have secures the control unit to the system. This system also uses the same easy lock cord spools that the chain control unit uses. Now let me show you how to assemble the hand crank. There is an assembled unit, which is the geared hand crank, and the rodding, which you can cut in any customizable length. We have the rodding, it comes in 10-foot lengths, so you can have it any size that you need for your project. There is an awesome jig that helps you get your hole in straight. It attaches right to the rod, and you drill a pilot hole. You drill a pilot hole through here and on each side of your cut rod. And you have something like this, a hole at the top and a hole at the bottom that goes through both sides. So now is the fun part. We get to fit them all together. It's not that bad. I line these holes here, and I have these little collars with a pin in it, and that fits through these holes pretty easily. Just snaps in there. And then this end gets the hook that controls. That controls the unit. And there you go. You're ready to operate. And another one of my favorite things is that you only need one wand. You can have a whole room of these shades and you need one wand. It has a bracket for the wall that you can attach to the wall, and this just clicks in. And you're done.